In this video, we will be looking at a very interesting topic. So what is that? Basically, you can see this is a website. And what kind of website is this? This is the FTP server of Mozilla, where you can find Firefox and its releases. So you can see from oldest version to the latest one. So we will be now checking out the oldest version, that is 0.8, which we can find here. These are the download links of this version. So we can see the 0.8 setup file. So we will be downloading this one. Now let me insert a pen drive so that I can copy this application to my older computer running Windows XP, because this version is compatible with Windows XP. So this is the downloads folder. Let's copy this file to a USB. Let's paste it over here. And now let's see the Windows XP computer running this application.